Andej Karparthy, ex-director of AI at Tesla, who now works at OpenAI, calls AI agents or Auto-GPTs the next frontier of prompt engineering. But what are AI agents and how do they work? Today you'll discover why Auto-GPTs are the next big thing in AI. Then we'll look at some examples and how you can start using this tech today. Let's jump in. So what is the difference between ChatGPT and an AI agent? First, as you probably already know, large language models like ChatGPT are only able to complete specific tasks. In other words, you give ChatGPT a single prompt and it gives you a single output. This all changed when a program called Auto-GPT was released on the 30th of March 2023. Since then, Auto-GPT's popularity has literally exploded amongst the developer community. This is mainly because Auto-GPT can autonomously perform tasks using individual bots called agents. The idea is that you give it a goal, and the first agent creates a plan that is broken down into subtasks. Then another agent completes the steps to achieve the goal using the internet and other tools. So the process looks like this. You give Auto-GPT a task or a goal. It then creates a plan or a task list, and then starts executing or completing the tasks. Auto-GPT will then evaluate and criticize its own plan based on research data, and improve based on this feedback. For example, it might reprioritize its own task list or add or delete tasks. And then finally, it'll stay in a loop until your goal is achieved. This means that Auto-GPT can execute multi-stage conversations with itself and perform actions with minimal human interaction. So the main difference between ChatGPT and Auto-GPT is that it doesn't require continuous prompts and can work without stopping until it reaches its goal. So how does an AI agent like Auto-GPT work? Firstly, it connects to ChatGPT or GPT-4 via the OpenAI API. In other words, ChatGPT is the brain or primary driver behind the system. Then Auto-GPT upgrades ChatGPT's abilities with various features that allow for fully autonomous AI. Importantly, it can connect to the internet to search for up-to-date information. Plus, it can scrape and gather data for research. Auto-GPT has long-term and short-term memory. This allows it to store and retrieve both research and conversation data. You can also pre-seed it with data or give it memory before starting. It also includes text-to-speech from 11 Labs for realistic voice output. Take a listen to what that sounds like.
Hi, my name is Auto-GPT. Nice to meet you.
Auto-GPT can generate images via DALL-E from OpenAI or Stable Diffusion from Stability AI. And it has access to a plugin library that allows it to interact with various apps like email, Twitter, Notion, YouTube, Telegram, and more. One of Auto-GPT's most impressive features is that it can write code, execute scripts, and even debug its own code. Do you think Auto-GPTs are the first step toward AGI? Do you find the prospect of Auto-GPTs scary or exciting? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Here are some examples of AI agents. The first is a to-do list app that prioritizes and completes tasks for you. It's integrated with Notion and Slack and can send messages on your behalf. Next is ChefGPT that can find events online and come up with original and never-before-seen recipes for each event. Here is a personal assistant that can buy stuff for you online. In this demo, it finds the Domino's website, locates the store closest to you, then builds and configures the pizza, and finally checks out and places the order. This next AGI agent performs market research for waterproof shoes. First, it looks for the top 5 competitors to get their waterproof shoes. Then it makes a list of their features and lists the pros and cons of each shoe, including the price. This AI agent built a website in under 3 minutes using React and Tailwind CSS. So how can you start using Auto-GPT? Unfortunately, there is some technical setup and configuration required for Auto-GPT. So if you're familiar with Docker, Git, Python, Pinecone, and setting up APIs, then check out the setup guide in the description below. Luckily, there are already several versions of Auto-GPT that can run in your browser. The most popular alternative right now is called AgentGPT, and it allows you to use an AI agent with zero configuration. First, head over to agentgpt.reworked.ai. Next, give your agent a name and a goal. Then click Deploy Agent and watch AgentGPT perform its magic. By default, AgentGPT will run without asking for an API key, but will be limited in the number of responses it'll give. To unlock unlimited responses, you'll need to pay for your own API usage. To do this, you can add your API key under Settings, as you can see on this screen. If you don't have an OpenAI API key yet, I've included a link on how to get one with $5 free credit in the comments below. If you're feeling adventurous and want to try some other web-based AI agents, then check out the 3 options on screen. The first is godmode.space. There's also Cognisis, and AutoGPT. Just note that each system has its own strengths and weaknesses. AutoGPT is the original and still the most powerful option at the moment. Here are 4 autonomous project ideas to get you started. The first is Fitness GPT, your personalized fitness coach that'll help you reach your goal weight with a personalized workout and nutrition plan. Next is Writer-GPT, an autonomous writing agent that'll research and write articles for you, then improve its own writing. Research-GPT is your data research agent that can find Twitter accounts that are most likely to make accurate stock market predictions. Lastly, there is Giveaway-GPT that can create a valuable list of tools, resources, and freebies about your topic. Of course, this technology is still new and far from perfect, but autonomous AI agents have received significant attention from the AI community because many see this as the next big step in the evolution of large language models towards AGI. Auto-GPTs could revolutionize the way we work because they perform efficiently and won't sleep, quit, or take breaks. And those who choose to leverage AI agents early will have a significant advantage against their competitors. So if you agree with Andej Karparthy and think that AI agents or Auto-GPTs could be the next frontier of prompt engineering, then check out my video about ChatGPT prompt engineering that'll take you from beginner to expert in just 8 minutes. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to make sure you see more stuff from me. I'll keep you updated on everything happening in tech and AI right now. And if you want to nerd out on more cool futuristic AI tools, head over to aiwebguide.com and join the newsletter. Also check out the links in the description below. I'll see you in the next one.